Hi everybody, my name is Stu from MainStreetMower. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unbox your new HSA56. You'll notice this box does not have any glue, so it unfolds into one nice, neat sheet. And on this side is your battery. This model here comes with the AK-10 battery, which is not a ton of power, but the hedge trimmer doesn't need it. It's very lightweight. This side is your charger. Also in a bag that's just opened on one end. So this is your charger. Probably the first thing you want to do is get that battery on charge. Right out of the box, your battery is going to come with a quarter charge, and it actually will run for about 30 minutes. Slot this baby on here, and your little green light will start blinking, and as it fills the battery up, it'll go all the way to the fourth light here. And it could sit on this charger without hurting the battery. You could leave it on there all day. You don't have to babysit it or anything like that. This hedge trimmer would not replace a commercial gas unit, but it does have a really nice cut. It's perfect for someone who wants lightweight, quiet, no emissions, and no cranking, no dealing with fuel, no dealing with oil. This machine is very maintenance free. There's nothing really you have to do to it other than keeping your blades clean and lubricated. So a lot of plants out there are going to leave a lot of sap, residue, and resin behind on your blades, and eventually it's going to build up and make your blades sticky. So just your everyday WD-40 is a fine product to use, but an even better product that you should be able to find at your local dealer is this hedge trimmer blade cleaner resin remover. So it'll help remove all those plant saps, it'll keep the blades lubricated, and it'll keep the blades moving freely so it doesn't bind up and put load on this motor. Putting this battery into the machine, take it off the charger. It does go in a certain way and you'll be able to see the trapezoid shape there. Push it till it clicks. You'll also notice this has 3 different safety switches that all have to be depressed at the same time in order for the blades to move. So if you just were to pull the trigger, it's locked. There is one here in the back that's very natural for your hand. There's one here that's very natural for your hand. You're going to squeeze it. And then you also have to bring your thumb up and push this one here forward in order to make the blades move. Taking the battery out is easy. There's a button here. When you press it, it's spring loaded. It's going to pop up. And then you also have a manual in your package. Read it. It's got good info. It will tell you a lot about the different light codes you could see. The light could blink green or red. It could blink in a few different patterns, and this will help you decode some of those light patterns you may see. You have a 2-year warranty. Wear good safety gear and be careful. Keep your blades clean. Keep this area dry and free of debris. And you should have a really nice product for a long time. Again, I'm Stu from MainStreetMower. Thank you for watching our HSA56 video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and we'll keep sending out new videos. Thanks.